Hello everyone, I'm Delin Huang. Do you know what materials and how to make an LED light bulb great? Today let's disassemble it. Thanks to standardized manufacturing procedures, light bulbs today are massively produced in uniform standard. To disassemble it, I only need a hammer to knock out the edge here because the plastic thickness is relatively thin. After breaking the edge, I can separate the parts easily. The big white sphere is called a diffuser. The middle part is housing, and the base part is called the socket. The transfer pad inside the light bulb contains LEDs and other components and connects the sockets with two wires. On the transfer pad, there are many components such as LED resistors and controllers. Under the transfer pad, there is a huge resistance. The shiny silver-white reflections and its lightweight confirm that this metal is aluminum alloy. The warning mark shows the manufacturing process can be a die casting or processive dies. Surprisingly, the inside wall of the housing is made of metal, and I assume this is aluminum alloy because it is light, relatively soft that can be cut, and it has silver-white reflections. Outside the housing, it is covered by polycarbonate. This material is rigid and has good heat tolerance. In my perspective, the inside part of the housing is complete by deep joints and punching, then is clothed by injection molding with polycarbonate. The ejection mark might be hid behind the socket. Originally, the socket is heavier than the housing because it is made of iron. The socket is manufactured by deep joint, similar to the inside housing part. The diffuser is also made of polycarbonates because of its excellent optical clarity and heat tolerance. It is produced by extrusion blow molding because its trim mark is found on the edge. Many people complain that modern light bulbs run out fast and generate waste easily. So in my project, I designed an electromagnetic float and charging light bulb with a multi-pedals diffuser. The design is suitable to be used on wireless charging pad. Once the pad is charged, the light bulbs will float in the air and illuminate. The diffuser can be opened by twisting the ring on the light bulb. The largest diameter of light bulb is 10 cm and the height is 11 cm including the pedals. The socket is replaced by the polycarbonate base, which contains a small stack of iron wire loops to detect magnet and generate electricity. The transfer pad hosts 3 replaceable plug LEDs, so customers can replace LEDs inside the light bulb anytime. The transfer pad is made of aluminum alloy and manufactured by processive dies. The diffuser is twist-open 4-bar mechanisms. The pedals are made of polycarbonates and manufactured by injection molding. The materials and manufacturing process for the housing remain the same. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video.